Welcome friends, get ready to dive into an ocean of cuteness because today we are exploring the most adorable creatures that call our planet's vast waters home. From playful otters to graceful seahorses, these enchanting animals will steal your heart. Before we begin our underwater adventure, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible beauty and importance of the natural world. The world's oceans cover over 70% of our planet and are teeming with life. These marine ecosystems are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also crucial for the health of our planet. Clownfish, made famous by the movie Nemo, are instantly recognizable with their bright orange bodies and white stripes. From the playful sea otters to the graceful seahorses and the charismatic clownfish, these adorable creatures have stolen our hearts. It is crucial that we continue to learn about and protect these animals and their habitats to ensure that their cuteness continues to delight us for generations to come. So let us all do our part to keep our oceans clean and healthy so that these amazing creatures can thrive. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. And don't forget to stay curious, keep exploring, and always find time for cuteness. Goodbye! These charismatic fish are known for their clownish appearance and their intriguing ability to change sex. Clownfish live in anemones, which provide them with protection from predators. The fish's scales actually help to numb the pain of the stinging cells of the anemone, allowing them to live in harmony within these unique creatures. Clownfish are also highly social animals, living in groups with a strict hierarchy. The largest female becomes a breeding female and the dominant male is her mate. Other males in the group will often take on female roles if the breeding female dies. While clownfish are famous for their beauty and charm, they also face serious threats. Coral reefs are under attack from climate change and overfishing, which means that clownfish populations are declining. We must take action to protect these iconic fish and their precious coral reef homes. With their enchanting horse-like heads and delicate, flowing tails, they truly embody elegance and charm. These fascinating creatures come in a variety of colors and sizes, from the tiny dwarf seahorse to the majestic pot-bellied seahorse. Each species is adorned with intricate patterns and unique markings that make them truly one of a kind. Seahorses are known for their slow-moving, deliberate nature. They gracefully drift through the water, their tails curled in a mesmerizing fashion. Their large, expressive eyes seem to hold ancient wisdom, and their tiny mouths form into whimsical shapes as they navigate their aquatic home. Seahorses play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, primarily as predators, helping to control the populations of small fish and invertebrates. Their presence is a testament to the intricate beauty and interconnectedness of our natural world. However, seahorses face numerous threats, including overfishing for the aquarium trade and the destruction of their coral reef habitats due to climate change. It is crucial that we take steps to protect these fragile creatures and their environment to ensure their survival for generations to come. Our first stop on this delightful journey takes us to the playful realm of sea otters. Sea otters are found along the coast of North America, and they are the smallest marine mammal in the world. These furry little creatures are known for their playful antics and their ability to hold hands while floating on their backs. Just look at this adorable otter pup snuggled up to its mother. Their thick, luxurious fur keeps them warm in cold waters, and their webbed feet help them navigate through the water with ease. But what truly steals the show is their intelligence. Sea otters are highly intelligent creatures capable of using tools. They've been observed using rocks to crack open clams and other shellfish. Watching them play with seaweed is like witnessing a group of kids having the time of their lives. It's important to protect these enchanting creatures and their habitat. Pollution and loss of kelp forests due to factors such as overgrazing by sea urchins threaten their survival. By supporting organizations dedicated to cleaning our oceans and restoring kelp forests, we can help ensure that future generations can continue to be amazed by these delightful creatures. Our next encounter is with a mesmerizing seahorse. Seahorses are among the most graceful and charming inhabitants of our oceans. Our final stop brings us face to face with a clownfish, a true jewel of the reef. As our journey through the ocean of cuteness comes to an end, we're left with a deep appreciation for the beauty and wonder of our marine world.